Good morning, good morning. Wow. You see the way gold moved yesterday and it's been moving overnight? It's been just crazy, crazy, crazy moves. Today's on the 10th of May, it's on a Friday. Um, Gold has been moving the whole night. It's been making great moves. Let's go to the one now and see what we did yesterday. So yesterday, just a quick review about yesterday. Yesterday, we were looking for sales, potential sales below this point. At that time, the market was around this area. We did get that potential sell at this point because we were saying we're going to sell below this point, the 23.14 area, all the way to take profit 123.07, which happened. This candle over here took us to take profit from entry over here, take profit one over here. We did not continue to take profit two. The market, from this point, when we got out from take profit one, we did not get any other chance to get into another order to continue to take profit two. So the market turned around, went up, and it made crazy move. I remember this move. This one happened. This is at five. At three. This happened at three. That was the unemployment claims. Remember, I mentioned yesterday. I said probably gold would come back with we would have bad numbers for the dollar on the unemployment claims of the USD, and then that would make gold break above these whole noisy areas. I remember I was mentioning that this area is not really good for trading. It doesn't really look very smooth, but we needed something like a news to push to just one candle to push above to cross all these areas. I said that yesterday. You can go back and review yesterday's analysis. Um, that is what I said, and it happened the same way that I said. Okay. We said now the potential buyers were here. I managed to take that buy as well. As much I took the sell and I managed to take the buy as well because all I need to do is set some pending orders, right? So buy stop got activated here 23, 22, sorry. Went to take profit one and two very easily. Those ones happened at that time. Then I actually left. I closed for the day. I did not trade anymore. Actually, to my surprise, when I checked the market in the morning, I was crazy. I could have left the order that could have taken me to take profit three. And this is the area where we had the daily resistance. See the daily resistance, yesterday's daily resistance, it's been broken. The daily resistance was broken very nicely, broken, closed above the candle. The next candle came down, retraced, closed at the doji, showing that there's a continuation for the bulls. The bullish side is market is continuing to go back up and up and up. And if you can look at it in 4 hours, this is what we have in 4 hours. See where the market is right now? This is where the market is. So there's a potential that the market would want to retrace all of this move all the way to this point over here. But we wouldn't know that unless we do today's analysis with a fresh new analysis. Those who got this order yesterday, congratulations. Those who missed, don't worry. We're going to do a fresh new analysis and see if we can have some potential entries today. We usually say that the market is not going anywhere. So don't make a hasty decision that will take you out of the market prematurely. All right. So the market is not going anywhere. If you miss a trade, there's always another trade coming. There's always another trade coming. Okay. All right. Let's get to it. Let's see Forex Factory. Forex Factory. Boom. There we are. We got in over there. Great. We have Forex Factory over here. Friday, the 10th. We started very early at 9 a.m. with the GDP on GBP. That's moving the market as well. So we're looking at USD in the evening. We'll have the consumer sentiments. We'll have the unemployment change and unemployment rate for the Canadian dollar at 330. Yeah, the rest is just inflation expectation, which this one they may shake the market a bit in the evening at 330. All right, so back to seeing what gold has for us. We do a quick fresh analysis once, like we always do. Remember what I told you last time? I told you that if this candle is not going to close below this April candle, if the May candle is not going to go below the April candle's low, then it's going to retrace and close. It's going to fill in this week, the whole of this week. And you see it's filling. It's already past half of the week now. It's going up and up and up and up and up. right? Remember what I say? Listen, learn. You listen, learn. Sometimes I may say something which doesn't really look like it's making sense, but eventually it's gonna be making sense, all right? I said, I remember this. I think three analysis ago, 3 or 2 analysis ago, I did mention, I said if the May candle is not coming below the April candle so that we can have a retracement at least to the downside to this point, then most probability is this May candle is going to fill in this week. So that's another trading strategy. We call it wick fill. It's a wick fill strategy. And you see the market is actually filling the wicks. It is filling it, all right? Okay, there we go. We're on daily right now. Daily, the resistance on daily. You see the support on daily is already has become very strong. Yeah. Remember, you see, we started with it over here. Started here, came here, came here. Now it's all the candles have been unable to break below. So the daily resistance has been very strong, while the daily support, sorry, the daily support has proven to be very strong, while the daily resistance has been broken. So overall, remember what we said, overall, the market is bullish. Overall, it is bullish. So now this is where we had the daily, sorry, let me go back to daily. You see, this is where we had the daily resistance was here and it's been broken. So now we have a new daily, we need to look at these points. We need to look at these areas over here. We need to look at these areas over there. So, all right, so H4. So now we have a daily resistance over here, up here. This one is the next target for the gold, the way gold is moving. We're in a H4 right now. H4, this is the low. H4 low. H4 low. Let's name it. H4 support. Great. So this is going to be the daily, this is the daily resistance. Daily resistance. And still also the H4 daily and H4 resistance right now. So that's what we have right now. Daily and H4 resistance, same point. All right, let's go 1 hour. What do we have on 1 hour? 1 hour, what do we have? What do we have? At that point, see, I've minimized it so that I can see down at the back over here, what does the market look like in when 1 hour is involved. There's an area over here where you see the market is right now. Over here, this is what causing the market to do this right now, right? So this is an area that it's not really, we can't really say it's a very strong area, but it's an area worth not ignoring. So we're gonna put something like that over there. That's where the market is right now. That's where the market is right now. So all I need to see is I need a break above that point, and then I pick now a fresh new order. I'll put a whole zone so that at least we know what we're looking at. Okay. I will not draw a level, I will draw a zone. There are difference between support levels and support zones. Okay. Those who have come to the classes, you've already learned that a zone and a level, they're two different things. All right, that's where we is right now. So at the top of this week and where the bodies are over there, somewhere like that. All right, so that's where we are right now. So as we go down to 30 minutes, 30 minutes probably won't give us much. It's the same thing. Same thing. That's where we are. All right, if you're looking at a low, we may consider this as a low for 30 minutes as a support. This one was the H1 support. All right, so H1 support over here. 130-minute support. Just name this one H1S. very EMS, like that. Right. So what I want to see right now is I need to see a break above the point over here. I need a candle. See where this the end of this zone is over here where I'm pointing is where the wick is, which the wick that's for previously. All right. Okay. So we need a break above that point. I need a possible potential buys above that point. I need a potential break above the 23 for 74. 23.74. Right? I need it above 23.74. When I get that, my take profit, you already know where the take profit is headed to. You already know that. You already know what we do, how we do it. It's over to 23.99. Say 2400. 23.99, 2400 over there. That's the take profit. Where we'll be having now the new daily and H4 resistance where we have all right, everything actually falls here. Even the weekly resistance was falling just the same place, right? The new weekly, daily, and H4 resistance over there. So that's where we headed to. If let's see a candle break. Now, there's another possibility that this candle may want to, you know how gold works, may want to first of all come down, make a low, and then pull back up. And if it's gonna come to make a low, it's gonna make a low to this point, like that. It's gonna either bounce here. You're gonna either have something coming like this on gold to this point, and then potential, then break, then like that. So you may have something looking like that happening over here in gold. All right. For the south, I'm not really seeing any. The way gold is moving right now, I don't see any place that I can bet if. But okay, yes. So I've gone to 15 minutes right now. I'm on 15 minutes. I'm on 15 minutes. I think on 15 minutes I could pick this area to be an area where the market is actually being rejected. Yeah. Below this wick over here. See, there's a wick that tried to come down over here and was rejected. So I would say we could have some very quick sells, and I will write them the same with the same as a potential quick sells. With potential quick sells below this area, the 2364.5. 2364.5, and then we'll have take profit here, and if the market will have more strength, we'll go to TP2 over here. But remember, the market is bullish. All right, have that when you're doing this trade, have it in the back of your mind that the market is more of bullish than bearish. So don't if you see any chances that the market is refusing to go down further down, don't force it, and don't hold it with the hopes that it will go, it will respect your feelings. No, the market won't respect your feelings. It will ram your feelings with no regard, and you don't want to be caught on the other side of what happens. All right, so should we have more strength, of which today is a Friday, so I don't really think we'll have that major of a move. But we can have TP1 over here for the buys and TP2 back up here. Okay, it's a Friday. I don't really think we're going to have more pressures as much, but we'll see what we can do. All right, so that is the last view. This is the last view that we can have. The sales, remember, we're taking the sales from 15 minutes. So we need to see if we have a breakdown here, we can do the sell. But this is where this is the mega thing that we're looking at. We did the buys, the candle to close above 23.74. We take a very nice buy all the way to 2400, and then if we continue another buy all the way to 24.36, that's gonna be it for today. All right, guys. Have a good day. Have a good Friday. Do not overtrade. Please use risk management. Let's see you on Monday as we do this review. Hopefully we make some money, right? Take care and goodbye. Goodbye, everybody.